Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are back with the giveaway winner. If you don't know, we hosted a giveaway a week ago and we asked you to participate in it to win our books, which is the Hindi, English and GK books by ASAP Law. And thank you to everybody who participated. Thank you to everybody who showed us your love and support. It means a lot to us. And without any delay, let's get into picking a winner for this giveaway. So we have entered all the names in this random name picker website tool, and all the names have been added over here. And once we click on the random name pick, the winner will be selected. So let's go ahead and click on the button. And the winner is Mayank Kadyan. Congratulations to Mayank Kadyan on winning this giveaway. Please send us your details with an ID proof on our email address, which is contact@asaplaw.in, within 1 week. If you don't send us your details within 1 week, we will pick a new winner. And if you did not win this contest, then don't worry, we have another giveaway coming very soon. Congratulations to the winner and thank you to everybody who participated. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to get new videos.